Alright, so I neglected to mention when you take the replacement plastic, you may have to heat it up with a torch and shape it a little bit to find kind of the general curve of the body. So here goes nothing. We're going to try to put the first clip in. Supposed to wait until it gets red hot. It doesn't always do that for some reason, this device. There it goes. A steady hand helps, which as you can see, mine always wants to start shaking right as I get ready to apply the hot staple. Let it cool before you remove it, because I've had them just come straight back out of the plastic, leaving a hole. And then pull. Now we'll have to repeat it again. They send various staples with this kit, but for some reason I find that this one staple I use more than the rest combined. It's got a very nice curvy pattern that fits together the two pieces you're trying to join. We actually ran out of them and ordered a new replenishment from Amazon, and they sent us literally something like 2,000 staples for something like $10. So I'll probably never run out. And that's what happens sometimes. We just had a problem. It burned through to the back. As I let it on too long. So we'll probably just leave that there and then put another one next to it. It's very tricky. If you leave it on too long, it will burn through too far. And of course, if you don't leave it on long enough, it won't burn in deep enough. You can actually see the liquid plastic and it sort of has a ripple reflection in the light. Once it gets dull looking again, you know that it's refrozen, and you can pull the gun out. Try one more staple. of strength now. All right, the next step will be getting out the Bondo. Let's switch to that.